In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate due dates in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the Wrike login page and enter your credentials. If you have your Google account linked, you can save some time by logging in that way. It's super convenient, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts. Now that you're logged in, let's access the table view. Once you're inside your workspace, head over to the project where you want to apply those all-important due dates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. In Wrike, the table view is particularly useful because it provides a clear overview of all your tasks and their details. So go ahead and open that up. Now let's move on to enabling due dates. Look at the toolbar or the top of your table view. You'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to customizing your view. Go ahead and click that plus sign. It will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, locate the due date feature and toggle it on. This will add the due date column to your table view, allowing you to keep track of deadlines easily. With the due date feature activated, it's time to apply and manage those dates. Click on your project tasks to start assigning specific deadline dates. This is where you can really help your team prioritize their workloads and avoid those last-minute rushes that can cause stress and mistakes. By assigning clear due dates, everyone knows what's expected and when. It can make all the difference in keeping your projects running smoothly. Remember, clear communication about due dates can enhance your team's efficiency. Make sure everyone is on the same page about their tasks and the importance of those deadlines. Besides helping your team stay focused, due dates also provide a sense of accountability. When team members know they have a deadline to meet, they're more likely to manage their time effectively. And that's essentially how you operate the due dates feature in Wrike. This tool is a game changer when it comes to managing projects, especially as tasks pile up. By following these steps, you can keep your team organized and on track. If you encounter any challenges along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to your team or consult Wrike's support resources. They have great documentation that can help you troubleshoot any issues you may face while working in the platform. So just to recap, first, log into Wrike. Then, access your project and open the table view. After that, click the plus icon to enable the due date feature, and finally, assign those dates to your tasks. You should now have a well-organized project view that keeps everyone on track and aligned. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore all the features that Wrike has to offer and make your project management experience even more efficient. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!